What's up guys, Aaron here, and before we get into the unboxing, I'd just like to mention that I absolutely fell in love with AirPower when Apple announced that they were working on it in September 2017. So it was supposed to be a charging mat that could charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and wireless charging AirPods at the same time. Apple would ultimately completely scrap the product due to difficulties bringing the device up to Apple's standards. With that being said, I found a device that can actually do just that, and it's made to look just like AirPower. It's called AirUnleashed. In terms of the unboxing, we have a picture of AirUnleashed on the front of the box charging the iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. On the side are the words AirUnleashed, and on the back is also the word AirUnleashed with some regulatory information. Cutting open the protective packaging and lifting the lid on the box, we're presented with a manual that lets you know that you can charge 3 devices at once. However, they need to be in a particular arrangement. The middle charger is a proprietary Apple Watch charger, while the 2 remaining flanking charging spots are Qi wireless compatible. And now let's get to the star of the show, the AirUnleashed wireless charging mat. The mat has a very premium, almost leather type feel on the top, with a non-slip soft surface on the bottom. It's about 19 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters tall, and only a few millimeters thin. AirUnleashed is compatible with the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and the AirPods wireless charging case and the Apple Watch Series 3 and 4. On the charging mat are 2 pluses on both sides, which again are Qi wireless charging compatible. The plus on the far left delivers a 7.5 watt output. The center charging section is designed specifically for the Apple Watch and puts out a 2 watt output. And lastly, the plus on the right is for your wirelessly charging AirPods and delivers an output of 5 watts. The AirUnleashed charging mat comes with a built-in cord, with the other end being a USB Type-A plug for your charging brick. Something to keep in mind is that AirUnleashed requires a charger with a minimum of 2 amps at 5 volts, which is 10 watts. Your charger that comes with your iPhone is only 5 watts and is therefore not compatible. On the AirUnleashed website, they do offer the particular plug that they do recommend for their AirUnleashed product. However, it does come at an additional charge. Now, something that I'd also like to point out, which I thought was extremely cool, is that the iPhone XS Max that I have here actually still charges with my OtterBox Defender Series case on, which is an extremely thick case. I've been using the AirUnleashed wireless charging mat for a couple days now, and I have to say that I can confidently recommend it to everyone out there. AirUnleashed is available for $99. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a like rating down below. Be sure to share the video. You never know, maybe someone you know would be interested in AirUnleashed as well. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.